our best sounding echo dot yet. Enjoy an improved audio experience compared to any previous echo dot with Alexa for clear vocals and deeper bass and vibrant sound in any room. Enhanced LED display. Stay on track with an improved LED display that shows the time, weather, alarm, and the song title at a glance. Alexa is your personal assistant. Ask Alexa for news, weather, timer, smart home control, and more to make one day easier and more productive. All of your music and content. Stream all of your favorite from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and other via Bluetooth from throughout your voice controlled smart home. Control compatible lights, locks, fans, and more with just your voice and create routine to triggered by motion sensor designed to protect your privacy. Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Build with multiple layer of privacy control, including a mic off button. Do more with device pairing. Fill your home with the music using competitive HO devices and different room. Create a home theater system with Fire TV and extend Wi-Fi coverage with the comfortable Eero network so you can say goodbye to drop-ups and buffering. Climate pledge friendly. We considered sustainability in the design of this device with 100% recyclable package and 100% post-consumer recycled polyester yarn with the and 55% post-consumer recycled plastics. Ask Alexa for weather updates and set hands-free timer and get answer of your question. Even hear a jokes. Need a few extra minutes in the morning? Just tap up your echo dot to snooze your alarms. Echo Dot Kids, our most popular and cutest smart speaker with Alexa made for kids, not a toy. This the improved speaker delivered clear vocals and rich vibrant sound. Where learning meet fun, kids can ask Alexa to play music, read bedtime story, get help to their homework and more. Stream songs for Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify and other. Include 1 year of Amazon Kids, a digital subscription designed for kids to the age of 3 to 12 to safely learn, grow and explore. On Echo Dot, kids can enjoy kids-friendly audiobooks, interactive games, and fun morning routine and educational Alexa skill. After 1 year, your subscription will automatically renew every month, starting at the just of 4.99 per month dollar plus tax. You may cancel anytime by visiting the Amazon parent dashboard or contacting consumer services. Easy to use parental control. Alexa will automatically give kid friendly response. If it breaks, return it and we will replace it for free.